Wait until you see the inside of this cookie. Soft, rich, red velvet and loaded with sweet white chocolate chips. Let me show you how to make it from scratch. To make these soft red velvet cookies, I'm using flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, egg, vanilla, milk, vinegar, red food coloring, and plenty of white chocolate chips. First, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius and line your baking tray with parchment paper so the cookies bake evenly and lift off easily. In one bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. This gives the cookies an even texture and spreads the cocoa flavor beautifully. In a separate bowl, beat the softened butter, brown sugar, and white sugar until light and fluffy. This is one of the secrets to soft cookies. You want it smooth, creamy, and slightly pale. Now add the egg, vanilla extract, milk, and white vinegar. The vinegar helps bring out that classic red velvet flavor. Mix until smooth. Now for the red velvet magic. Add your red food coloring and mix until the batter turns rich and vibrant. This is where the cookies start looking irresistible. Add the dry ingredients little by little and mix gently until the dough comes together. Don't overmix if you want soft cookies. Fold in the white chocolate chips. These little pockets of sweetness make every bite creamy, rich, and unforgettable. Scoop the dough onto the tray, leaving enough space between each cookie so they can spread as they bake. For a bakery-style finish, press extra white chocolate chips on top. That way every cookie comes out looking beautiful and loaded. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until the edges are set and the still looks soft. That's how you keep them tender. And here they are, fresh from the oven, soft in the center, with that beautiful red velvet finish and creamy white chocolate on top. Let them cool for a few minutes on the tray before moving them to a rack. This helps them set without losing that soft texture. Look at that inside, soft, rich, and full of white chocolate. This is exactly how red velvet cookies should be. If you love soft cookies, this recipe is definitely for you. So delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, save it, try it, and come back for more delicious homemade baking. These red velvet white chocolate chip cookies are soft, beautiful, and absolutely worth making.